Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? For this video, I have this very nice hair trimmer right here. If you guys can see, it mentions all the other stuff right here. So the charging time takes roughly around 4 hours, if you guys can see right here. And it has a low noise and it has strong driving force like a motor inside to help you guys cut your hair a lot easier. So let's open up the package and show you what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open the product itself, they do provide you an instruction card to teach you guys how to use it. They provided this cable right here, you can see, to charge up the product. They provide this little brush right here to clean the actual product itself. They provide you guys 3 of these extra heads that you can choose to make it longer or shorter depending on what you guys want to use it for. And right here we have the actual trimmer itself. And on the very bottom they do provide you guys a little baggie right here, as you can see. So you can put in all these accessories and tools, so you can bring it with you guys if you guys need to help someone else cut the hair. They have their little logo or design right here to say it's professional or whatever. This is what the overall product looks like, as you can see. On the very bottom, they have the slot right here to plug in your cable to charge it up. You guys can see right there. The material that they use for the blade itself is titanium gold ceramic blades. They have an LED display, so once you guys press this button to turn it on, this is what it sounds like. But that's what the display looks like, as you can see. So the rate per minute right here, and then the remaining power is right here. So you just press it one time to open it. And you have to press it one time again to change the RPM, as you can see. So there's 3 different speed modes. There's a 60, 65, and there's a 70 mode, as you can see right there. And if you guys want to turn it off, just press it down like this, and it turns off. Alright, so we got the product right here. Let me show you guys how it looks like when you guys charge it. Just plug it in right here. As you can see, it's charging right there. Show you guys the battery level right there, and then the RPM right there. Alright, so we got the product right here. I'm going to do a quick water test to show you guys how easy it is. You guys can actually clean the product. So all you have to do is turn on the water like this. Just start rinsing it. You guys can see. So as you can see, that's pretty easy to use and everything. And also really easy to clean. I believe if you guys get some water on the bottom, it's fine. But just make sure you guys don't charge the product when it's wet. But the overall product itself is pretty water resistant and really easy to clean the top part if you guys need to. Alright, so now that we tried it out and everything, I can definitely say that it actually works pretty well. Super easy to use and everything. I love the fact how this is actually washable, so it makes it a lot easier to kind of wash it. But now that we did a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. I honestly think these are actually pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these, especially if you guys want to trim your hair or cut your hair. So that way you guys don't have to worry about like the side of your hair annoying you or whatever, especially since a lot of these barber shops are closed nowadays and we don't know when they're allowed to open back up. So this is a good alternative that you can get so that your friends, families, your significant other can help you guys cut your hair.